Meaning of flashmobber.
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 Flashmobber. A flashmobber is someone who participates in a flash mob, a group of people who assemble suddenly in a public place to perform a seemingly spontaneous and usually pointless act for a brief time before quickly dispersing. The result of a flash mob can vary, but it often includes surprise, entertainment, and social interaction among participants and spectators. Flash mobs have been used for various purposes such as marketing, awareness raising, and artistic expression. They can also create a sense of community and connection among participants, adding a unique element of fun and excitement to everyday life.